most recently, I have a publication called Gut, Brain, and Glycocalyx, a portrait of Parkinson's, that explains the physical chemistry of Parkinson's and how different things can actually impact the glycocalyx in different ways, or different parts of the body that can present as different symptom profiles.
That before we recorded, you had mentioned this paper, the gut brain axis and the glycocalyx. If you hear a garage door underneath us right now, I apologize. But I wanted to explain a little bit about that terminology, because glycocalyx, to somebody outside of bioscience or medical sciences or biochemistry, biological sciences, period, but may not be familiar with that. But in short, all of our cells in the body have essentially we have these proteins embedded in cell membranes called glycoproteins. And those glycoproteins, essentially, as they kind of are found all along that cellular surface, they kind of form this, if not for lack of a better term, this kind of a fuzzy layer. Yeah, as you did the that's perfect.
Like
that's the fingers.
Yeah, it's like seaweed.
If you're not watching this on a video format, you'll want to check it out. But yeah, so basically these finger-like projections from the cellular membranes, and the glycocalyx is like this fuzzy kind of layer on the outside, and since it's a sugary layer, has some glucose involved. It's a little bit of a kind of sticky-ish, you might say, layer, and it's actually one of the ways our cells communicate with each other and tell who's who. Are you you? Yep, I'm me. Are you you? Yep, we're good. So anyway, that's part of the it's in a way, it's kind of part of our cellular identification system within the body, and how our immune system can pick up on what's not right. And so I haven't read the paper, but I'm assuming there's a connection between the microbiome, or basically an issue with the microbiome, and the health of the glycocalyx of those. I'm assuming it's the intestinal cells. Or
yes,
is it,
well,
yeah.
I mean, the intestinal cells, the brain, the cardiovascular system, it's
All the
all
above.
connected.
Yeah.
And I think that's one of the things that's missed as well, is that the glycocalyx lines are blood vessels. And as you are having glycocalyx damage from a lot of these different factors, you can have vascular problems. And one of the things in Parkinson's is problems with blood pressure.
Yes.
And I think it has not been well connected, that vascular tone and problems with the glycocalyx are connected to Parkinson's. And my husband actually passed away from a pulmonary embolism after long COVID. And the spike protein from COVID also does a lot of damage to the glycocalyx. And so, these pieces of the puzzle haven't been well connected, because our science is so compartmentalized and reductionist.